Off the coast of Africa, bathed in the warmth of the Atlantic sun, lie the Canary Islands. This stunning archipelago is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. This Spanish archipelago, comprised of 7 main islands, each with its own distinct charm and allure, is a haven of diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. From lush forests and dramatic cliffs to bustling towns and serene villages, the Canary Islands offer a unique blend of experiences. Each island boasts its own unique character, with landscapes ranging from volcanic terrains to verdant valleys, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking to unwind, there's something here for everyone. From volcanic peaks that offer breathtaking views to pristine beaches that invite you to relax and soak up the sun, the Canary Islands beckon with the promise of adventure and relaxation. Imagine hiking through rugged landscapes in the morning and unwinding on a tranquil beach by the afternoon. But before we dive into the heart of this archipelago, let's test your knowledge. How well do you know these islands? Do you know which of these islands is known as the Island of Eternal Spring? This island is famous for its mild climate and lush greenery all year round. Stay tuned to find out. We'll explore more about this enchanting island and its unique features. The Canary Islands are a testament to the Earth's raw power, sculpted by volcanic activity over millennia. These islands, located off the northwest coast of Africa, are a stunning example of nature's ability to create beauty from chaos. This fiery past has gifted the islands with dramatic landscapes, from towering volcanoes to black sand beaches. The contrast between the dark sands and the azure waters is truly mesmerizing, creating a unique and picturesque setting. The islands offer a unique opportunity to witness the remnants of volcanic activity up close. Imagine exploring lava tubes, hiking through volcanic craters, and feeling the history beneath your feet. These natural wonders provide a glimpse into the powerful forces that shape the islands, or even witnessing steam vents releasing geothermal energy. These vents are a reminder of the island's fiery origins and the ongoing geothermal activity that continues to shape the landscape. Speaking of geothermal energy, did you know that some locals cook using the heat from volcanoes? This ancient practice is not only fascinating, but also a testament to the resourcefulness of the island's inhabitants. It's true. On Lanzarote, for example, you can find restaurants cooking traditional dishes over volcanic heat. This unique culinary experience allows visitors to taste the flavors of the island in a way that connects them directly to its volcanic roots. Can you guess which island is known as the Island of Eternal Spring due to its pleasant year-round climate? This nickname belongs to Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands, renowned for its mild and consistent weather, making it a perfect destination for travelers seeking a temperate escape. Fuerteventura, the second largest of the Canary Islands, is a haven for water sports enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. With its stunning landscapes and endless beaches, it offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Known for its consistent winds and turquoise waters, Fuerteventura is a world-renowned destination for windsurfing and kitesurfing. The island's unique geographical position ensures ideal conditions almost year-round, attracting athletes and hobbyists from all over the globe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to catch your first wave, Fuerteventura's numerous surf schools and rental shops cater to all levels. Expert instructors are available to guide you through the basics or help you refine your skills, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Beyond its water sports, Fuerteventura boasts a rich cultural heritage waiting to be explored. The island is dotted with charming villages that offer a glimpse into its storied past, with historic buildings and local artisans showcasing traditional crafts. Immerse yourself in the island's history by visiting the traditional villages scattered across its landscape. Wander through narrow streets, admire the architecture, and discover cultural landmarks that tell the story of Fuerteventura's vibrant heritage. Experience the warmth of the locals and indulge in the island's unique gastronomy. The friendly residents are always eager to share their culture and traditions, making every interaction memorable. Don't miss the opportunity to sample the local goat cheese, a staple of Fuerteventuran cuisine. This delicacy, known for its rich flavor and creamy texture, is a must-try for any visitor. Visit local markets and restaurants to savor this and other traditional dishes and take a piece of Fuerteventura's culinary heritage home with you. Gran Canaria, aptly nicknamed the miniature continent, offers an astonishing variety of landscapes within its borders. From towering mountains and lush forests to golden beaches and bustling cities, Gran Canaria has something for everyone. Explore the island's diverse ecosystems by hiking through the Roque Nublo Natural Monument, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Immerse yourself in the island's vibrant cultural scene in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, the island's capital. Explore the historic Vegeta district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its charming cobblestone streets and colonial architecture. Indulge in the island's culinary delights, from fresh seafood to traditional tapas. Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands, is home to Spain's highest peak, the majestic Mount Teide. This dormant volcano dominates the island's skyline, offering breathtaking views from its summit. Take a cable car ride up the volcano's slopes for panoramic vistas of the island and the surrounding ocean. Beyond its natural wonders, Tenerife boasts a rich cultural heritage. Explore the charming colonial towns of La Laguna and La Orotava, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Discover the island's unique traditions during the vibrant carnival celebrations, a spectacle of color, music and dance. La Palma, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is a paradise for nature lovers and stargazers alike. Known for its pristine skies and minimal light pollution, La Palma offers unparalleled opportunities for astronomical observation. Visit the Roque de los Muchachos Observatory, home to some of the world's most powerful telescopes, for an unforgettable stargazing experience. Beyond its celestial wonders, La Palma enchants with its unspoiled natural beauty. Hike through ancient forests, explore volcanic craters and relax on black sand beaches. Immerse yourself in the island's tranquility and reconnect with nature in its purest form. Lanzarote, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, captivates with its otherworldly volcanic landscapes. Explore the Timanfaya National Park, a surreal landscape of volcanic craters, lava fields and geothermal activity. Witness demonstrations of the island's intense heat at the Islot de Hilario, where water poured into the ground erupts as steam seconds later. Lanzarote's unique beauty inspired local artist Cesar Manrique, whose legacy is deeply intertwined with the island's identity. Discover Manrique's artistic vision at the Llanos del Agua, a series of volcanic caves transformed into an extraordinary cultural center. El Hierro, the smallest of the 7 main Canary Islands, offers a tranquil escape from the everyday. This UNESCO Biosphere Reserve is a haven for ecotourism, with its commitment to sustainable practices and preservation of its natural beauty. Hike through lush forests, explore volcanic landscapes, and discover hidden coves along the island's rugged coastline. El Hierro's crystal-clear waters and rich marine life make it a paradise for scuba diving and snorkeling. Explore underwater volcanic formations, swim alongside colorful fish, and discover the island's hidden underwater treasures. La Gomera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its unique whistling language, El Silbo. This ancient form of communication, developed to overcome the island's challenging terrain, allows locals to communicate across vast distances using whistles. Witness demonstrations of El Silbo and learn about its history and cultural significance. Beyond its linguistic wonders, La Gomera boasts breathtaking natural beauty. Explore the Garayone National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its ancient laurel forests and stunning views. Hike through the park's network of trails, discover hidden waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the island's tranquility. From the windswept beaches of Fuerteventura to the volcanic peaks of Tenerife, the Canary Islands offer a diverse tapestry of experiences. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, these Spanish islands have something for everyone. Each island, with its unique character and charm, contributes to the archipelago's allure. So, are you ready to embrace the warmth of the Canary sun, explore volcanic landscapes, and immerse yourself in vibrant cultures? The Canary Islands await, promising an unforgettable journey of discovery and wonder. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey through the captivating Canary Islands. I hope this glimpse into their unique offerings has sparked your wanderlust. If you enjoyed this exploration, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or your favorite Canary Island in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and adventures around the world.